This is a sponsored video, a sponsored product from, let's see, a jewelry from Kingka. Kingka, nothing is permanent but change. Nothing is permanent but change. Kingka. Let's open it. It has nice packaging. It's a necklace, silver. They let me choose one jewelry from the website, and I choose this because honestly this is the expensive one. So let us see. The color is antique silver. It's a bit heavy and I love the design. It's just simple, and the chain is like what stated in their website. It is an anchor chain. It's really nice. Now I understand why it is a bit expensive. For the price, it is worth it, and the quality is also very good. This anchor chain has 5 centimeter, I think, extension. Yeah, this is great. If you want to wear it longer, then you can do it. Overall, I love it because I love silver also. I love wearing silver. Kingka jewelry, silver 925.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised
Vintage color,
never did work out.
but this is pure silver.
Got a new job,
Very nice.
uptown.
I love it.
I bought you everything you never
Thank you,
questioned.
Kingka.